I chose the University of Limerick because my parents are so proud to be Irish, but I had never been to Ireland, so I thought, when would I have a better time to go abroad and live in Europe? My friends in America always ask, how can you move 4,000 miles away overseas? Well, once you're out of college, you're not going to have this time to go out and travel in Europe is so cheap too, so do it while you can. First 2-3 weeks are going to be really scary. As soon as your courses start and as soon as people are settled in, you make friends instantly. I think my favorite thing about the program is my lecturers. We've got lecturers and tutorials here. So in America, we would just have the lectures where there's one professor and then 300, 400 students all in a hall. But in the tutorials, it's going to be maybe 15, 20 students, and you're just going over the lecture, you're asking questions, and they're just making sure you know what's happening, which is really, really helpful. I think my favorite thing about UL is that there's just always so much to do. And I would love the program, I love the people here. It's a great community. I would say just make the jump.